In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real estate signing pack in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bundle your contracts, disclosures, and addendums into one clean professional envelope and send it to everyone who needs to sign. First, sign into your DocuSign account and head to your dashboard. Make sure you already have an active account and that all your real estate documents are saved and ready to go as PDFs or Word files. Having everything prepared beforehand will save you time and help you avoid missing pages later. From the dashboard, start a new envelope. Click New, then choose Send an envelope. Think of the envelope as the container that holds your entire signing pack. This is what everyone will receive and sign. Next, upload your documents. Click Upload and select the contracts, disclosures, and any addendums you want to include. Once they've uploaded, confirm that every file appears in the envelope. A helpful tip here: upload or arrange the files in the exact order you want them to be viewed and signed. That way your signers move through the pack logically, starting with the purchase agreement and moving into supporting documents without confusion. Quick note before we add recipients. If you need DocuSign, there's a link to the website at the top of the description so you can access it quickly. Now, add your recipients. Enter the names and email addresses for everyone who needs to sign, such as the buyer, seller, and agents. If more people should be included, add them here. If signatures must happen in a particular order, set the signing order so the envelope routes sequentially. This is especially useful in transactions where one party must sign before the next can review. Before moving on, review the email details. You can customize the subject line if you like. In the message box, add a short, clear note explaining what's inside, such as, "Please review and sign the attached real estate documents." This gives recipients context and helps them recognize the email. Click next to open the document editor. This is where you place the signing fields. Drag and drop, signature, date signed, and any name or initials fields onto each document, and be sure to assign each field to the correct signer. Work through every page of every file, and confirm that all required fields are in place so no one gets stuck or misses a signature. Finally, review everything: documents, recipients, signing order, and fields. When it looks good, click Send. DocuSign will email each signer a secure link, and you'll be able to track progress in your account. That's it. Thanks for watching.